Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Fazal Muhammad and my father name is Ghurej Gul. I am student of Progressive Language Center and my class teacher name is Sir Muhammad Huzefa. I live in Shershah, Karachi. I belong to KPK. I want to start my topic with the great name of Allah who is Rahman and Rahim. After that, I would like to thank to my teachers and my classmates who gave me this chance to say something about my topic. Today my topic is importance. Today my topic is about importance of learning English for madrasa students and scholars. In first, I have a question. What is English? English is an international language, and English has become common, very common in this era. It has become a necessity. So that's why it is very important to learn English for everyone, especially for madrasa students. Why it is very important to learn English for madrasa students? Because we achieve Islamic education to convey the message of Islam to the entire world. So if we know how to speak English, we can easily convey the message of Islam to the entire world. If we know English, so we can easily understand modern issues. We can easily solve modern issues. If we know English, so we can translate the Holy Quran and Hadith to the into English language. A part of that, if we know English, so we can easily complete our needs ourselves in many places such as banks, hospitals, nadra offices. In this era, learning English has become a necessity. So therefore, I want to give this message to all students, especially to madrasa students and scholar. You should learn English is a necessity. And I invite to all madrasa student of Shershah to join Progressive Coaching Language Center, because I have been learning English in Progressive Coaching Language Center for 2 months. There are a lot of very experienced teachers. Their environment is very good. So thank you so much for listening and watching me.